Hello everybody, very good morning. Welcome to Beat Ride with me, Ishaka Ishwam. Here, I'm not going to make you stand up at all. What we're going to be doing is sitting, adding a lot of resistance, and doing a seated climb. Okay? The interval is going to be the downside, where we're going to speed up the legs. Okay? Tip hip. I'll tell you. You're shortly going to know how it's going to feel. Your heart is going to love it. Time to add on. Gradual increase. We are fire and we're burning. I love the lyrics to this song. We ignite. Time to ignite those quads. Ready? Come on. Turn the knob up. Climbing resistance. Notice how your legs automatically slow down because you've increased the resistance. Hands on the side of the bar. Push and pull. My resistance is at 85. Stay within the range. On my cue, get ready to reduce the raise. Reduce the resistance and raise. Now, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Push and pull. Raising resistance. RPM 135. Keep your back straight. Shoulders relaxed. Come on. Almost there. Last 10 seconds. And we'll be done with round 1. Hold. Reduction in the gear. Take a push. Did you notice what was happening to your body? Yeah? The first half was strength workout. You're struggling to pedal. You can literally feel your muscle. Second part is your cardio workout, where your heart does most of the job. Yes? That's why the heart rate has gone up. Gradual reduction. We're going to pick it up very shortly. Tip hip, hands in. Round 2. We are fire and we are burning. Roll. We ignite. Time to add on the resistance. Turn it up. Turn it up. All right. No cheating. It should be so heavy that you feel like standing and pedaling. Hands on the side. Push. Push. Get ready to reduce and raise. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come back to your racing resistance. Start rolling your legs super fast. This is where I want to see your top speed. Can you show it to me? Come on. Accelerate. Push. Tiny circles on your race. Last 5. Easy in 3, 2. Slow. Hands in. Catch your breath. Come back to your base resistance. Take a push. Roll the shoulder. Well done. We're halfway through. We have half more to go. Yes, we're going to do this together. This time, the second half, I'm going to give you a challenge. You know what that is? Tip hip. Your resistance for the climb, let's say, was 85. Okay? I want you to increase it by 5 units, making it 90. Turn it up. Just add 5 units. Hands on the side of the bar. Push and pull. Seated climb. Always gets to me. The burn is real. Come on. Push. Get ready to raise in just a bit. Ready? Reduction of the gear in 3, 2, reduce. Hands on the side. Go. That's it. Push. 20 seconds. Top speed. Engage your core throughout. How do you do that? You're going to make sure you're pulling your belly button inside towards the back of the spine. Okay? Hold. Last 5, 4, 3, 2. Easy. Hands in. Reduction of the gear. Take a push and roll the shoulder. Are we good? So far, so good. How many rounds done? 3? Good. How many did I promise you? Forgot? 4 rounds. Okay? The last round, the final round. Tip hip. Hands in. Quick shout out to Prasad Nag, leading, followed by Benz and Himagna. Well done. Try to maintain the top 3 spots. Rest of you, I want you to give them a good competition. Come on, turn the knob, increase the resistance. 90. If you want to go higher, be my guest. Hands on the side of the bar. Push, push. Get ready to race. Reduction in the gear. Shoot. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Roll. Just move your feet to what? The beat. This is beat ride. Good. 10 more seconds. A little more than that. Almost there, guys. Come on. Finish line is right in front of you. 4, 3, 2, slow down. Good job. Reduce the gear. Take a push. Roll the shoulder. Take some time to catch your breath. If you have your water bottles with you, please make sure you're keeping yourself hydrated throughout the session.